Okay, just going to do my chain. I use this stuff, Dry Tech Ultimate Racing Chain Lube. A whole lot of microfiche writing there on the back, no one can read. It's recommended to me by chap Andrew out at Red Baron, who knows everything. And I was looking for a lube that was, I don't have an O-ring chain, it's a traditional chain, and I wanted something that didn't gum everything up, because the ones I'd been using up to that point really gummed everything up. And so the idea here was to not do that. So when I redid my brakes and everything, I took the chain off and cleaned it all up in kerosene and all the sprockets and so on. And I'm just using this, which I like. Quite lightweight sort of stuff. Okay, I'll just do this. That's basically it. Perfect. That will do just fine. Just checking the tire to see if I got it on that, but nope, we're good. Alright, GoPro, stop recording.